How to download memories on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download memories on Snapchat. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to click on this camera icon over here and then you're going to scroll up. Once you do so, you'll be able to see all of your memories over here. Now, if you wish to download the memories on Snapchat to your phone's gallery, what you're going to do is click on select option here at the top right. After that, you can select any of the images that you wish to download. And once you have selected the images, you can also click on select all in order to select all of the memories you have. After that, you'll be able to see this icon over here. So you're going to simply click on this arrow icon. And then you'll be able to see something like this. So you'll be able to see a couple of applications over here. You're going to simply scroll all the way to the right and you'll be able to see this download option. Simply click on it and then it would say saved. And now when you head over, open your gallery, you'll be able to see that these memories have been saved to your phone's gallery. So that is basically how you can download memories on Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.